Welcome to Techfly Learn English. Fly high with your English skills.
Hello, everyone. Today we have a fun and inspiring topic, dreams and future goals. Are you ready, Bill?
Yes, Emily, I love this topic. Dreams and goals always make me feel positive.
That's wonderful. And it's a great topic for practicing English, too. So let's start with a simple question. What's your dream, Bill?
My dream is to become a travel blogger. I want to travel around the world and share my experiences in English.
That sounds exciting. A travel blogger. Nice vocabulary word. Everyone listening, can you say travel blogger? Good job. Now, Bill, why do you want to become a travel blogger?
Because I love learning about different cultures, trying new food, and meeting people from different countries. And of course, I also want to improve my English while traveling.
Excellent reasons. Let's repeat a useful sentence for everyone listening. I want to improve my English while traveling. Can you repeat after me? Perfect. Let's talk about the difference between dreams and goals. A dream is something you wish for. It can be big, like, I want to be famous. A goal is something you plan to do. It's more specific, like, I want to visit 3 countries this year.
Oh, I see. So a dream is more like an idea, and a goal is something we can work for.
Exactly, Bill. Can you share one of your short-term goals?
My short-term goal is to improve my speaking fluency. I want to speak more confidently in English conversations.
That's a great goal. Everyone listening, do you have a short-term goal? Think about it and try saying it aloud in English. Good. Let's learn some useful words and phrases about dreams and goals. Achieve. To reach something you want. Example, I want to achieve my dreams. Plan. To organize your actions. Example, I plan to study English for 1 hour every day. Motivation. The energy or reason to do something. Example, music gives me motivation to work hard. Give up. To stop trying. Example, never give up on your goals.
Can we practice these?
Of course. Repeat after me, everyone, slowly. Achieve. Plan. Motivation. Give up. Nice work. Now let's make a short conversation using them.
Okay. I plan to study English every day. I want to achieve my dream. Motivation helps me keep going. I will never give up.
That was excellent, Bill. And great job, listeners, if you practiced along.
Let's talk about a simple grammar pattern, going to, for future plans. We use going to when we already have a plan. For example, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. Or, I'm going to visit London next summer.
So, if I say, I'm going to learn Spanish, it means I already decided, right?
Exactly! You got it! Now, let's practice. Everyone repeat after me. I'm going to follow my dream. Pause. I'm going to work hard. Pause. I'm going to achieve my goal. Perfect!
Can I make my own sentence?
Of course!
I'm going to write a blog post in English every week.
Beautiful sentence. That's a great way to improve your writing.
Now, let's imagine we are in a classroom. I'll ask some questions, and you, our listeners, can answer aloud. Ready? What is your dream? Why is this dream important to you? What are you going to do to achieve it? Excellent! Practicing speaking out loud really helps your fluency.
It can feel strange at first, but getting used to it is important. Don't worry too much about pronunciation. That will come later. Just get used to speaking out loud.
I think many people are shy to speak, but practice makes it easier.
Absolutely, Bill. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Remember, every English speaker was once a beginner. Bill, sometimes people start learning English but stop after a few weeks. What advice would you give them?
I would say don't give up. Even if you learn one new word a day, that's progress. And find fun ways to learn, like listening to podcasts, like this one.
I love that advice. And you're right, learning can be fun and creative. You can watch English movies, listen to songs, or read short stories.
And also, talk to yourself in English. I do that every morning.
That's a great idea. Listeners, try saying one English sentence to yourself today. For example, I'm learning English every day. Go ahead, say it now. Wonderful. All right, let's review what we learned today. We talked about dreams and goals. Do you remember the difference?
Yes, a dream is something we wish for. A goal is something we plan for and work towards.
Excellent. We also learned new words: achieve, plan, motivation, and give up. And we practiced using going to for future plans. Now, let's say some sentences together one last time. I'm going to follow my dream.
I'm going to work hard.
I will never give up.
Those sentences make me feel strong and confident.
Me too. And that's what learning English is all about: feeling confident and expressing yourself.
Thank you, Emily. Today's lesson was really inspiring.
You're welcome, Bill. And thank you to all our listeners for joining us. Remember, your dreams matter. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, and don't forget, keep flying high with English with Emily.
Thanks for watching Techfly Learn English. Keep learning, keep flying high.